The riches are in the niches. At least that's what everybody says when it comes to making more in your freelance copywriting business. But is it really true? Hi, I'm Christa Nichols, sales copywriter for 7, 8, 9-figure entrepreneurs and copywriting coach for freelance copywriters. And here's why I don't think you have to niche down in order to make a good income in your copywriting business. There are 2 ways to really hone your skills when it comes to your freelance copywriting business that will allow you to charge higher rates and grow a level of expertise: niching and specialization. There's a misconception that these 2 words mean the exact same thing, but they're actually quite different, and this can benefit you. So let's dive in and figure out what those differences are. Niching means to focus your copywriting skills in one specific type of business or industry, like dental clinics. On the other hand, specialization means dialing in your copy on certain types of copy projects, like sales conversion copy and sales funnels, for a wide range of types of businesses. Both niching and specialization allow you to develop a level of expertise that helps you get better results, that allows you to charge more as a freelance copywriter. Follow this account for more tips on growing your freelance copywriting business and making more money while working less.